Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello everybody, how are you all doing? In this video, I will be talking about which verbs out of JUGAR and PRACTICAR we are going to use with which sport. So, in the previous video, we learned about the PRACTICAR and JUGAR verb, the conjugations. Now, it is very important for us to know with which sports you can use PRACTICAR and with which you can use JUGAR. So, let's get started. So, JUGAR verb is used with sports like football, volleyball, basketball, hockey and tennis, while the verb practicar is used with the sports sailing, swimming, athletics, gymnastics, horse riding and cycling. So when we say I play football, how will you say that in Spanish? You will say juego al fútbol, juego al baloncesto, that is I play basketball. However, when we talk about the sports in which we practice, we do not play. Like, I practice swimming. You may say, practico la natación. I hope this video helped you. Stay tuned for upcoming lesson which will be based upon sports, where I'll be talking about all the sports, what do we call them in Spanish. Follow the Instagram handle for more Spanish content like Spanish facts, Spanish cuisines, fun contests and much more. Don't forget to like, share and press the bell icon so that you don't miss on to the next lesson. Gracias!